Okay, so it's a 2013 Escalade EXT. I got in my truck yesterday morning and started up, and the AC was blowing hot, and the temperature indicator on the dash was saying it was colder outside. It was saying it was 52 when it was 85, and my air conditioner was blowing hot. So I went to one job and left there, went to my warehouse, I left there, and then all of a sudden the AC started working again. So I wasn't sure what it was. I was getting ready to do some research on it, and I came home, and my neighbor, he's an airline pilot, and he told me, he says, oh, I had that happen to my vehicle, and it was the ambient temperature sensor. So I researched it, and it has all the symptoms of that. So I got the part, and now I'm going to locate it on the truck. They're usually in the front area, okay, and locate it and try to get it replaced. It's real simple. It's a small item, but it's making a big problem for me. Okay, all right. Okay, so I first started looking down in here, and I believe it's right there, okay? So to get to it, I've seen others take this whole grill off. I'm going to take this cover off here. I believe I can reach it from this area. So I have these little trim tools to be able to remove trim, and these have all these little pop-up type things. Okay, well, I needed to come off in order to get to these bolts anyway. So, it looks like we do have to take this whole front bumper off. Alright, let me get my tools out. Okay, to take these off, it's a 10mm. Hold on, we do a little faster. Yeah. Okay. All right, we're gonna have to get some bolts underneath. Now to get the bumper off, go over here, turn your tire in or out, whatever makes you feel better. and then take out these screws, these here, and then it's going to reveal what we have to do next. Do that on both sides. Here underneath the truck, you'll have 1, 2, then a third one right over there in the corner. Okay, you undo those 3 on each side. These are 7mm, just like the ones in the wheel well by the tire. Take all of them out, and then we'll try and get this bumper out. Okay. Well, you can take the whole thing off, or you can reach in there and do it. Okay, now I just pulled it away. Okay, see it? It's right there. Now let's see if I can unclip it. Okay, so it's just pushed in to a hole here. So I get between the two. And then push it off. There. Okay, then it pops off. Push this clip up. And then it just pops off. Okay. This is the old one. Now we're going to get the new one. Okay. Now, you can't put it on wrong because you see that little nub there? So it can only go on one way that it's going to stay. Okay. In, and then gotta find the hole over here that it was in before. Push it in the hole, and then the new one's installed. Okay, it's real simple. I didn't take the whole bumper off, okay? I just took all the screws out that needed to come out, and then you just pop this out. Same with the other side. Popped it out, okay, and then got enough to where I could reach in there and do it without pulling it all the way off. And now I'm just going to reattach it. All right, let's have at it. Now we're going to do the ones underneath and then reattach the sides. All right, let's start up and see what. Got cold air. Okay, that was it. Now my air conditioning's blowing cold. I didn't have to take it to a mechanic, and the part was around $9 and a little bit of labor, and now it's fixed. Where you could have gone to an AC mechanic and it could have cost you quite a bit more, even if he told you exactly what it was. All right? Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. All right, give me a thumbs up. See you on the next one.